Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. In the demanding world of maritime operations, where heavy lifting and constant tension are part of daily life, the wire rope is a silent hero of the deck and engine departments. While the outer strands of a wire rope are what we see and inspect, the true performance and characteristics of the rope are determined by what lies at its very heart, the core. To understand how wire ropes function on a ship, we must look at the two primary types of cores used in the industry, which are the fiber core and the steel core. The core serves as the foundation of the rope, providing support to the outer strands and ensuring the rope maintains its circular shape under heavy pressure. A fiber core, often made of synthetic materials like polypropylene or sometimes natural fibers like sisal, is a popular choice for many general shipboard applications. The primary advantage of a fiber core is its flexibility and its ability to act like a sponge for lubrication. As the rope bends and moves, the fiber core releases stored lubricant to the internal wires, reducing friction and protecting against internal corrosion, which is a major threat in salty maritime environments. Fiber core ropes are also lighter and easier for the crew to handle, making them ideal for mooring lines or smaller crane applications where extreme heat is not a factor. However, when the operational requirements involve high temperatures or crushing pressures, the ship must turn to a steel core. There are two main types of steel cores, known as the wire strand core and the independent wire rope core. An independent wire rope core is essentially a smaller wire rope that sits inside the larger outer strands. This design provides much greater structural stability and resistance to crushing, which is essential when a rope is wound tightly on a multi-layer winch drum. Steel cores significantly increase the overall breaking strength of the rope and offer superior resistance to heat, which is critical if a wire is used near engine exhausts or in firefighting equipment. While steel cores are less flexible than fiber cores, they offer a much higher level of precision and durability for heavy lift cranes and life-saving appliance davits. Choosing between a fiber or steel core is a matter of matching the right tool to the specific maritime task. For a deck officer or a boatswain, understanding the difference is vital for safety because using a fiber core rope in a situation that requires a steel core could lead to the rope flattening out under load and failing prematurely. Regular maintenance and inspection are equally important for both types, as the core must be kept well lubricated to prevent the internal wires from grinding against each other. By selecting the correct core, the maritime industry ensures that cargo is moved safely, the crew is protected during drills, and the vessel remains operational in the harshest conditions. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.